is professional engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, sale, and service of self-propelled scissor lift platform, crawler rough terrain scissor lift with or without outriggers, mobile loading ramp, stationary unloading dock leveler, and hydraulic cargo lift. We are located in Jinan City, Shandong, with convenient transportation access. It has a complete and scientific quality management system, strong technical force, good production equipment, advanced and reasonable technology, is in a leading position in the same industry in China. High standards, strict requirements, from engineering design, procurement, assembly, until testing, final audit, and confirmation, strictly checks every steps. We products have obtained EN 280 standard CE certification. Customers from all over the world. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Exports Russia, Germany, Netherlands, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, USA, Canada, and Brazil. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support, enable us to receive due OEM, ODM projects. We can produce 2,000 sets lifts per month. Sufficient production capacity allows us to meet large orders from lessor and dealers. Strong after-sales support, 24-hour online service. We are a reliable supplier of the aerial work lift platforms. More cooperation. Welcome to contact us at any time and inform your purchase requirements.